Okay, now we have a backup using Retrospect Virtual, and now we're going to do a file level granular restore. Let's say I accidentally delete my link to Mozilla Firefox. So let's go restore that file. We're going to find the backup set that we want, Granular Demo. I'm going to click Restore Individual Files inside Virtual Machine. Next. Now we're going to select the VM. Restore. Preparing data. Oh, it's ready. Now we're going to mount it as a drive letter so that you can see it inside of Windows Explorer. Use H. Great. Users, public desktop, Mozilla Firefox. So we drag it out, and it's back. Excellent. Now let's cancel, stop the granular restore, and we're done. Why do businesses choose Retrospect Backup? Protection against the unexpected. Accidents happen, malware hits, hardware fails, and disasters strike. You never know what's going to happen next to your data. Retrospect Backup provides data insurance with on-site protection on an external disk or a network-attached storage like a Drobo, as well as off-site in the cloud. If you have a backup with Retrospect, no matter what happens, you can just click Restore and move on. Retrospect, a store-centric company, provides data protection for businesses, protecting over 100 petabytes across 500,000 customers for over 30 years.